Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about mobile photography. Today's world, like all are photographers and millions of images are captured every fraction of seconds, and the mobile devices are contribute a lot into it. And most of the people, they take brilliant photos with the help of mobile cameras, but that photos are not coming up due to the lack of knowledge in the color grading or like editing. So today I'm going to explain how to color grade landscape photograph, which I have taken with the help of Samsung A50. And without wasting of time, let's go to the world of photography. And this is the image I'm going to edit today with the help of mobile application, and the final output will be something like this. So let's open the file in Adobe Lightroom mobile version. So for that I'm going to open the Lightroom over here, and I'm going to select the image. Next step is start editing. So for that, starting with toning area. In the toning area, I'll be like enhancing the underexposed area in the images. Also, I'll be like adjusting the little bit contrast and exposure over here. Okay, and if there is any white information is there, that I need to enhance it. White and black information need to be enhanced over here. So let's start. Now the image is basically adjusted with the toning area. Okay, next I am going to adjust with the color temperature and vibrance and saturations. So in here I am going to enhance the dull color information over here with the help of vibrance. Saturation I am going to adjust a little bit to enhance entire color information. So let's see. After doing that, now I'm going to control my individual colors over here. It's nothing but hue, saturation and luminance. So for that, there is an option called mix in the top. I'm going to select now individual colors in the images. Okay, so let's see. Now I finished adjusting the individual colors over here. Next I am going to adjust with my textures and clarity. So for that I'm coming over here. So I'm going to increase my texture value over here a little bit, and I'm going to increase the clarity and dehaze over here. Okay, any kind of haze is there, that will be removed with help of dehaze option. And clarity and textures always enhance the medium level textures without losing the details over here. Okay, the next thing is split toning. I'm going to split the colors over here to give the kind of mood or effect into this image. For that I'm coming to the split tone over here. So in the split tone, what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust highlight and shadows of the hue over here. Okay, so first thing I'm just balancing, giving the balancing value around 5. So that is kind of strength over here. And now I'm going to adjust the highlights value. Highlight I'm going to adjust around over here, and shadows I'm going to adjust over here. Okay, now I individually select the highlights and shadows colors over here. Okay, I'm done with that actually. Next is I can increase my image sharpening now, and also I can reduce the color noise reduction over here. And the final one, selecting the lens profile. For that, first thing is like removing chromatic aberration, and also I'm selecting the lens profile over here. So manually I'm going to select it over here. I'm going to select the model. I'm going to select the Samsung, and I don't have the profile of Samsung A50, so I'm just selecting the default one. Okay, now we have done with the basic color correction over here. But look at the image in this boat area down part, you could able to see some more shadow over here. I need to really control that shadow. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the selective adjustment tool over here, and selecting the brush tool over here. Okay, adjustment brush tool, and selecting the middle one, the smooth one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just paint it over here. Okay, and after painting that, I'm going to control my exposure, highlights and shadows over here. So what I'm going to just little bit I'm going to increase my shadow, little bit I'm going to increase my exposure, and Now I adjusted with my shadows over here. Okay, now this is your before and this is your after. Now your image is dramatically color corrected over here or color graded over here. Okay, that's what I want to tell you. So this is how you can edit your image with help of mobile apps. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, if you need more clarification regarding this video, kindly comment it in below. I'll be back with another amazing video for you. And if you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and click bell button over there. And I'll be back with another amazing video for you. See you. Bye.